Guys, we're gonna do the Coke and Mentos challenge. I'm ready. I'll put the Mentos in.
You want to put them in?
Yeah, I'll put them in. I'm nervous. Dad, you stand far back away, but zoom in so they could see it well. Okay, so like stand.
Put them in there.
Dad, stand like this, like right at this distance. This distance.
All right.
Throw in the Coke bottle. Here we go. Oh dear.
Just drop all 4 of them in there right there.
I couldn't do all 4.
Put another one in there.
I can't.
There it is. It's right from the Coke can. Now, if we had a bottle, which we may have to do next time, and we'll dump a whole bunch of them in there, that'll probably make it fizz way up. But that was it.
No, that's not it, guys. That's not it. Keep recording. We're gonna do these last 2 cans. So, Dad, open this.
We'll just do one more. Here, we're gonna try to see if we can get it to.
And then the last one, we'll do it on the grass. Okay, get away. Get away. Fizzing out.
There you go.
Still going, guys. Still going. And the last one.
No,
It's the last one. Come on.
we don't have any more Mentos, and we don't have enough to put in.
No, still have
Think you got it.
more Mentos. Yeah, there's still
That was
more
not an
Mentos.
explosion. We need like a lot lot maybe. I don't know.
And a bigger bottle. This is the last and final test, guys. Last and final test.
Brr. And it's cold out here, by the way. That's why I'm shaking with the phone.
Yeah, I'm breathing.
There's a snow shovel. Snow's pretty much melted now, but
I don't know why we
it's
put that out.
cold.
Right, these last 2.
Plus, we don't like Coke anymore because, anyway.
Just
Go
open
ahead.
it. Open it. Guys, I'm terrible at opening Coke. No, do it right here by the grass. Do it on the grass.
Well, should have done the
Now
first one.
stand on the back.
The grass
far-
is like dead right there.
Sit the back far deck.
Oop.
Here we go. There it is.
Whoa.
Dad, come here. Look at it from this side. Looks so cool. You just see the brown coming off. And now, guys, we're gonna just pour it.
Dump it out, straight out. There you go. Hey, go pick that up. Now you're gonna get it all over your socks. Oh. Ah! Don't dump it out. Don't dump out my Coke. Not on the wood. You're gonna have to go get some water. And now you gotta clean up after yourself, guys. Gotta go wash that stuff up.
Wait, don't end the video yet. I have a few more messages to say.
Say bye.
No, not yet. Dad, don't you do it. You ready? Pour it out. Yeah, we're gonna want some.
You're going to pick those up. Sorry,
No
but
thanks.
what do you have to say for yourself, kid?
Wait. I just like birds to pee on this.
You're putting Coke in the bird bath?
Yep.
Those birds are going to be flying high tomorrow. Woohoo!
I have one last message. Next time in the next Coke and Mentos video, we're actually going to get a huge bottle and put the Coke and Mentos in it, and then just blast it in the air. And this wasn't really like
Go blue.
But yeah, go Michigan. Go Michigan, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, and here's a little clip of me picking up the Coke.
Pick up your trash. Oh, goes a couple of geese.